Hey guys, Tom here with LPO. I was just going through some of my old channel content, some of my old videos, and realised it's almost 10 years since I did my very first dent repair video for my dent business, TDL Repair. So it was just quite funny watching, or just seeing how old that video is. So I thought I'd watch it back with you guys here. If you're bored, I'll put the link in below this video as well so you can watch it. This was in 2011. I did the video for the purpose of explaining what paintless dent repair was to my customers. Back then I had a lot of people that hadn't heard of it and didn't realise you could have your dents removed without filling and painting. So that was the reason I created the video at originally and put it out online. But it's just interesting seeing just the fact that it's almost 10 years ago. So I thought I'd play it alongside with you guys here so you can watch it back with me. And just have a bit of a laugh at myself. So let's press play. Nice old-fashioned start.
Hi, my name's Tom at TDL Dent Repair. Today I'm going to show you.
And there I am. Definitely looking a bit younger.
Using a method known as paintless dent repair.
And a big goatee as well.
As you can see highlighted here.
Almost forgot about that goatee until I see old videos or photos in my wedding photos goatee.
To remove this dent, I'm going to use adhesive tabs and a slide hammer.
I definitely got a few more grey hairs now, that's for sure.
Using a specially formulated glue, I apply the tab.
Specially formulated glue. I got questions on that. Why was it specially formulated? No idea.
Let that set for a few seconds. And then by attaching a slide hammer.
And that slide hammer, that's the one you still see me using today. So that is an aluminium lightweight slide hammer from BLE Tools. Obviously standing the test of time, as this is, it'll be at least 10 years old, that hammer. And an old Worth tab as well, the purple tab that I'm using there. Still got a few Worth tabs, rarely use them, but that was what I certainly started off with back then. And that picture on the side panel, I think half the comments I got were people saying, why have you drawn an apple on the side of the car? Of course it was to circle the dent and have an arrow pointing straight towards it. Nice look of concentration there as well.
As the dent gets smaller,
another Worth tab.
Smaller tabs to remove the remaining damage.
I remember that fly buzzing around as well, I'm sure. Old line board as well. So this was actually my wife's car at the time that I put a dent in with my elbow, purely for the purpose of doing an instructional video. And you can see why people thought it looked like an apple. Looking back, it definitely does look like an apple.
For more information to see our portfolio, have a look online at www.
I was so nervous then as well. I still get nervous now doing the videos.
Thank you for watching.
Because I didn't know what to do with my hands at the time as well when you're recording. What on earth do you do with your hands? That was quite fun watching that back. Can't believe that was back in 2011. As I say, I will, if you're really bored one day, I'll put the link in this description so you can watch the original video. I haven't done much on that channel for a long time, the occasional video, but not like I used to back then. But the video, it did really well. I couldn't tell you why. Still now to this day, I'm not sure why it did so well. But it had a couple of million views overall. At one stage, I think it was getting 10,000 views a month. But I got work from that video as well. So if there's a takeaway from this, it's the importance of really kind of promoting yourself, your brand and your business. I definitely I had inquiries from all around the world, being it's on YouTube. Dent repair inquiries from Texas and all across the world asking me to come and do their dents. Which I'd always reply with, if you pay my flights and travel, I'm happy to. But no, it's a good reason to put yourself out there, obviously get out of your comfort zone and really kind of promote yourself and your brand and your business. I definitely got a fair amount of work from my YouTube video back then as well, so something to take away. But I just thought it'd be a bit of fun watching that back kind of in real time with yourselves. And that's it for me. I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.